Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Val Ngige, and if it's your first time here, welcome, karibu sana, and please subscribe for more videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, kama kawaida, mwah, thank you for staying tuned. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be doing a try on haul from Gikomba. So I got some dresses that I'm going to be trying on for you, and later on, these dresses are going to be on sale on my page, ama on my Instagram shop at Great Girls Closet. You guys, ukiona hii video, head over there and purchase whatever you like most, but not all the dresses because I have to keep some for myself. So let's get right into the video. So guys, on to our first dress, and it's this black and white circular ama skater dress. So guys, for the longest time nimekuwa nikivaa circular ama skater dresses, and I think this is a perfect one. So I'm not sure I'm going to keep it for myself. I'm gonna sell it, but it's slightly above my knee, and you guys can imagine how amazing this skirt would look, ama this dress would look with some flat shoes when you're out there in town running your errands, or when you're going for a girl's brunch. Oof, this dress looks amazing. And you know guys, you guys can see how it's flattering the upper body, and then huku chini inafanya you look like you're cute, innocent. You know, I don't know why they like circular dresses make you look innocent. Oh my god, I'm loving this dress. So guys, what do you think about this dress? Leave a comment down below. For me, I think I'd rate this dress a 9 out of 10. The one yenye imebakisha because it's a little bit shorter than what I'd like it to be, other than, you know, especially because sijui, I don't know, I'm not able to wear short dresses, especially nikienda huko nje, but we're going to try. So let's go over to dress number 2. So guys, the next dress that we have is this little black dress. So tuanze na the details. The first thing that I really loved about this dress is the neckline, because as you can see, it has a square shaped neckline that just goes below your cleave kidogo tu, just giving the peptons, you know, in a pip kidogo. And then we have the high thigh slit, ama ni thigh high slit, whatever it's called, but I'm not understand it's a slit that is a bit too high. But this dress, the material is amazing, like ooh. And then the back is pretty, you know, like it's quite decent. It's very decent. So it's a little LBD dress, and I really like it, but I wouldn't keep this for myself because I feel like hapa, you guys can see it's stretching, so I think it's supposed to be for somebody who is a little bit hippier than I am. Plus for me, but I like it. I'm actually thinking of keeping it. Niko na kioo hapa, so if you see me look at this side, it's the mirror. So yeah, that's the dress, guys. Ooh. It looks so pretty though. So that was our dress number 2. So let's go to dress number 3. So guys, our dress number 3 is this cute, fancy, chiffon dress that is maroon in color. So hii dress, I really like it because of the details huku chini, because it has ruffles, as you can see, and also the hands and the tiny detail hapa kwa neckline. I feel like it's quite decent, very decent, and at the same time it still has that sexy girl, you know what you're doing vibe. So it's quite big for me, but I feel like if it's fitted you quite well, it will look so beautiful. I think this is size 8 to 10. It's a size 8 to 10 dress. So and then when ina feel kwa mwili, like it's, you know, you can see the shoulders kwangu nini kidogo, the waistline, but when it has been made to details, perfect. So if it fitted you here vizuri, and then here, you know, you're a bit bigger than me, and then hapa kwa chest ama kwa bust area inatoshea vizuri, and the sleeves, this dress is perfect. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So it's going to be up on my page at Great Girls Closet, so head over in case you're interested in this dress, and also leave a comment down below. What do you think about this dress? So guys, our next dress is this plaid masterpiece. Because guys, ebu look at this dress, ebu see it. Okay, I'm holding it at the back here because it's very, very, and Nala is here to say hi, because it's very, very big for me. I feel like it's also a size 8 to 10 size. It has pockets. See, it has pockets on both sides, and also it's a button-up plaid dress that is straight. Okay, Mama, nakuta umekaa hapo. On this dress is beautiful. Like guys, only it just gives you that tiny slit hapa mbele, and then you're in it in your heels. You can dress it up with your button-up shirt, a white one with a collar. Ooh, ooh, guys, ooh. See, only that dress. See how pretty that dress looks. And then guys, the fabric, the quality is everything. It's everything. Imagine akina siwachochi, hii dress ni supu. Woo. I got it because of plaid. Akina mimi napenda plaid, but I never get anything that fits me in plaid. But I figured a babe out here would be looking so good in this, you know. So ikitoshea mtu sinakaa fiti. Eish. But it's missing a button, which I'm going to replace before I sell this dress. Whoever purchases this dress, before I send it to you, I'm going to replace it. Come. Say hi to guys. Say hi guys. How you doing? It's Nala. Hi, sasa go. So guys, our next dress is this ruched. Inasemangwa aje basically? Ni ruched ama ni rouge ama whatever. So it's this dress that is quite long, because for me inanifika chini ya knees, but then you can do this to the dress like that, and ta-da, it's shorter, and also on the other side. And guys, mama, unani confuse unataka nini? So guys, for this dress, I really liked venye iko huku and huku. You've never realized that this kind of dresses zinakupatianga figure automatically. As long as it sits well on your body, figure comes, inakujanga na figure. Anyway guys, I like this dress because of the fabric. It's not pure cotton, so it doesn't need a lot of ironing. As you can see, huku iko na creases kidogo, but it doesn't, not as much as it would be if it were pure cotton. And also guys, this dress was new. Yeah, this dress was new, and the length, like everything about this dress was a vibe. So why not get this dress, guys? If it fits you, this dress is a size 8, but I'm going to give the exact measurements for my Instagram shop at Great Girls Closet. So head over there, check out this dress and purchase it. So here's how the dress. Sinaambia dress inakuja na figure simi na bado ijanitoshea by the way. So you can see, but actually see the back, guys. See that back? It's not very low like it's showing the bra, but it's low because guys, I'm wearing a bra. But you can see it's quite a low back that is really, really cute. And then on any zip iko hapa. Imagine the zip is right here. This dress, guys, this dress. So if it fits you guys, imagine you're going to look so pretty in this dress, and then you can wear it with your chunky heels, your high stiletto, wherever you're going to style it with. And also guys, whenever you purchase something from my shop and you style it, kindly tag us. If you post the post on Instagram, kindly tag us, and then we're going to repost you, because you're a babe, you're a boss babe. So yeah. So guys, this is another beautiful dress. Like on any your dress, guys. So the first thing that I like about this dress is the style, definitely, and also the inaitwa nini hiyo kaa, you know, pipping inapatiana hapa, that car, you know, I'm sexy and then I will fight, yeah. And also I like that it's off shoulder and that the sleeves are sheer. Yes. Guys, najua mnangoja kusikia that this dress will be up for sale, and yes, it will be up on my page at Great Girls Closet. This is a size 6 dress because I'm a size 6, so if you're a size 6, hata kama you're a bit hippie because it's stretching, you see, but it's a size 6 dress. So it's a size 6 dress that will be up on my page at Great Girls Closet, so head over there and check this dress out before it goes, guys, because he dress ama hata nijieke. But out of 10, this is a 10 out of 10, guys. He need 10 out of 10 dress, because imagine you and your girls going out for that girls' night out, you know, and then you're wearing this like, like it's making your confidence it's taking your confidence from 0 to 100. Ukivaa tu confidence. This is hata sijui tuko dress number what, I lost count, but we have this dress that has these stripes on the arms. I like that it's a little bit detailed but not too much, and also guys, because it has the princess lines, it's going to shape your body perfectly. And as you can see, Chini, it's more of a cascaded dress. Ooh, it looks so pretty, guys. Like hii dress ukivaa na ikutoshe vizuri, perfect. It is so pretty. So here is our dress. I'm not going to be keeping this, so it's going to be in the shop. Head over there. But maliza video kwanza. Yeah, finish the video, then you can go over to the shop. Ooh. So guys, another beautiful dress. Like guys, only need to see. This dress is so pretty, and I like the fact that it's leather. The upper side of the body and the lower side of the body, it's tutu, but for me it's quite long, like mrefu sana. So what I'd do if I were to keep this dress, I'd take out the lowest part, ile tutu ya chini kabisa, so that I can have it as a knee length dress. I think I can do that though. So yeah, so I can have it as a knee length dress. And guys, there are so many ways of dressing this. I'm styling this dress. You can dress it up, dress it down, however you like. But when you decide to dress it down, you just go for rubbers, ama canvas, ama whatever. Just casual shoes. And also you can dress it up by putting on heels, stilettos, boots, anything. And guys, like the only thing that I really don't like about this dress is the length. Other than that, everything is perfect. And guys, imagine hii leather, see ile soft leather, ile yenye hupio, it's like the good quality leather. So yeah, there's my dress. Ooh. So guys, on to our next dress. That is my least favorite, is this dress. This dress ikona a very good quality, like it is very good quality, but for me, mimi siwezi vaa because as you can see on that usually it's too big, very long, but it's for the corporate woman. Like in here, when you dress up in this dress, ukitokea hivi, you look like a woman who knows what you want with this life, like you have everything figured out. Dress this up with a blazer, your handbag and your heels, and then walk into that meeting and pitch your idea. Imagine wanachukua your idea na wanakupea job na promotion pap, because this dress guys, hii dress ni supu, but when it's ni kama ile ingine, when it's with the right hands, Perfect. Ikiangukia the wrong hands. And then I like the color because this color is green. It's the dark green color. Guys, dark green is a pretty color. And then imagine you can belt this up haba like this. Let me belt it up for you. You can belt it up like this. And then imagine your hips showing your African woman figure. Eh? Haba. See? And then it has pockets, and then it has a little slit at the front. Ahi guys, this dress is just everything. Hii ikipata mtu inatosha. Perfect. I think I'm going to take this to my sister to see whether it fits her because it's so pretty, and she's a corporate woman. So guys, on to our second last dress. Hata sina words because guys, see this dress. As in, like, why wouldn't you wear this dress? Like, guy, just see this dress, for that dinner date that you're going out. Eish. So imagine yourself wearing this dress for a dinner date. Imagine, like, and then it's a asymmetrical dress, and then the print, and then kama tulisema hizi zinakujanga na nini figure. So yeah, this dress is a 10 out of 10 for me, but I'm not gonna keep it. So you can see in a stretch. So me, like, when I'm wearing these kinds of dresses, I like something that is fitting my body like up, because even though nakutoanga figure vizuri. So I thought of keeping this, but then I was like, no, I won't keep it because it's definitely bigger than me, but I like it. Like, he dress and then your two heels, ama two mules. Guys, see this woman. Ish. Ooh. This is our second last dress, and guys, imagine, guess the last dress when itakuwa inakaibu, just guess, because you can see. Ooh, and definitely we had to keep last for best for last, whatever. So this dress is also going to be up on my shop, and I think this is the last time I'm saying this. So guys, finish the video, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, tell your friends, and guys, and then after you've done all that, head over to my shop at Great Girls Closet and check out these beautiful dresses. Guys, ooh. This dress is everything. If I say everything, I mean everything. Like, just see the details up on there. Ooh. And then I like how it has my body perfectly. Eh? And then I also like the fabric because it's soft on the skin, and the detail, like, just everything about this dress is a win. It's gold. So that is how the dress looks like at the back. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. So that is how the dress looks like at the back, and this is how the dress looks like at the front. And before you ask, yes, I'm keeping this dress. Wow. So guys, this is our last dress of this try-on haul. For this try-on haul. And guys, what do you think? Which was your favorite dress? Leave a comment down below, because for me it's this one. Definitely this one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button down below, and also leave a comment, and also give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, bye bye, and work towards your dreams. Oof. Just me here admiring my body. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.